but this comes in a box. You can feel it from the outside. It comes in this. Don't know, like the box looks cheap. Probably this, I think this is for a packaging safety. I think this is good. Like probably it's a good idea to give that level of safety, because this is something can, so I think it has to be 74th. I pay 84. Enter each card of the following: name of the card, Chakra, Zodiac sign, copywriting restricted. It's copyright restricted होना चाहिए ना. Don't know भाई, मतलब लिखा भी उसने AI से. I don't like AI for this reasons. Like you should, where you should, I think, but that does not mean they have not spent time also. Sukhmminder Singh, I think ये सबका सब AI. So let's just, it's inclusive of all texts, 499. This barcode, everything. The matte, the quality could have been better. So I think maybe because of that they have chosen that box to be exact. और कुछ नहीं है इसमें. So this is it. And okay, so this is with the detailed thing, जो फूल वगैरह वो सब रहता है. Singh. So this is how it looks, and if I tell you the thickness of it, I think it looks thick. Let me just see. It is like a 0.2, less thicker than my earlier one, so that's like a 0.2 millimeter. And so this is the full magician जो वैसे रहता है. So basically it's an upright meaning, reverse meaning. So मतलब meaning और उसके साथ दिया रखा है. तो if you have new and you have to practice वो सब कि उसका मतलब क्या होता है. And then a lot of things also does not like very book wise, a lot of his feelings also, a lot of thing, and it's up to the person who is telling, that also matters. So उसके हिसाब से भी अगर आप देखेंगे तो death, this says death 13, reverse, devil, tower, star. These are the major arcanas, judgment, world, and these are the minor arcanas, two of pentacles. So they have color coded, like, which is nice. This is good for learning, I would say, like, because of you, when you they should know, like it is very good for when you are in new, when you know, like, so understanding of it. The quality of it's okay, but I don't like that too much information, because you also can get, like, if you also can get troubled. Sometimes it doesn't mean, sometimes you draw it wrong, a lot of things. फिर इनको cleanse भी करता रहना होता है. So this color choice is not good in any way. And tarot card remedies, fool, donate to poor person, magician. So it's like a remedy, temptation. So yeah, this is it. It's okay, not very recommended. Like the design aspect of it little bit, like a very purplish, but yeah, link in the description. Bye bye, thank you.